Welcome to this final video in the three-part series to release stress and tension in the neck, shoulders, and upper back. Today we have a little more focus in the upper back. Come into a comfortable cross-legged position. Take a deep breath in, find that length in the spine. You can rest the hands on the knees and just kind of like cupping the knees, elbows straight, lift the chest. And exhale, release the shoulders down. Take another breath in, finding length. And exhale, relax the shoulders, relax the arms. You're going to use the hands on the knees to create a little bit of resistance. Elbows are going to be straight, and then lift the chest up, look up. And then as you exhale, keep the elbows straight, chin to the chest, curl and round the spine. Feel the stretch. Inhale, lift up. Shoulder blades move down the spine. And exhale. Just like cat and cow. Stay connected to the breath and the sensations. And after your next exhale, we release and come to center. We're going to do a gentle twist. So you take your left hand onto the right knee. The right hand just moves behind the back. Inhale, sit up tall, and exhale, twist. You're using a little gentle pressure, hand against the knee to help you lengthen up tall and twist. Look over the right shoulder or just over to the right side. On your next exhale, we come to center and take it on the other side. Right hand on the left knee, left hand just behind the back. Inhale, sit up tall. Use the hand on the knee to lift and then twist. Look over the left shoulder. Remember, don't force the body. We don't want to create more tension, but we want to bring release. And back to center. Once more, left hand onto the right knee. Inhale up tall, twist. Use the breath. Each inhale, find length. Each exhale, twist a little bit deeper. On your next inhale, reach the right hand up. And as you exhale, just bend over to the left side. So again, we're using this, we're holding the knee, and then we're just leaning the weight of the body over to the side. Now this can be a bit intense. You don't have to go so deep. Wherever you feel the stretch, can you breathe into that space? And come on out. Right hand onto the left knee. Inhale, sit up tall and reach the left hand up. And then as you exhale, just let the body hang over to the right side. Where do you feel the stretch? Where do you feel the sensation? And release. Slowly come out. From here, we'll come onto all fours. Fingers spread nice and wide. Middle finger is going to point forward. Press the thumb, little finger, all fingers into the mat. And as you inhale, lift the chest, lift the tailbone. And then as you exhale, curl and round the spine. We're not going to hold the stretch. As soon as you move into the pose, and you continue to move out into the next one. Keeping a nice steady rhythm with the body and with the breath. Walk your hands forward, maybe a foot or two. Now, the knees further away from the hands makes the stretch more intense, and the knees closer makes it a little easier. So you can see where you want to stay. Press the palms firmly into the floor and then gently take the hips back. Feel that stretch in the undersides of the arms. You can gently rest your head on the floor if it reaches. And then gently come back up. We're gonna move straight away onto the belly. And take a breath, just resting the head down onto the hands. Feel the front of the body on the floor and relax the head down. And now we take the hands just underneath the shoulders. Squeeze the elbows in towards each other. Again, not crazy tension, but a little bit of tension. Shoulders are drawing down and back. Pressing the tops of the feet into the floor. As you inhale, lift the head and lift the chest. And exhale, lower. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, lower. Inhale, lift up. Elbows drawing towards the body, shoulders down. And you don't have to lift very high. Feel free to pause. You can pause for a breath or two when you lift up. You can pause for a breath or two when you lower down. Now, if it's comfortable for you, you can press up into the hands, some more weight into the hands, but elbows still close to the body. Lift the chest up, shoulders draw down, neck very relaxed. If it's okay for you, look over the right shoulder, look over the left shoulder, look over the right shoulder, look over the left shoulder, and lower down. Take a couple breaths here. Forehead resting on the floor. You can turn your head to one side. Gently press yourself up. We roll onto our backs. If you have a block or a cushion, you're going to take it now and just place it underneath the upper back. So resting your shoulder blades on it, and then your head drops down, and you want your head to be able to rest on the floor behind you. Relax the arms down, let the shoulders just kind of drop open and flop to the sides. Feel that gentle pressure of the block or bolster, gently pressing up against your spine, allowing your chest to lift. As you inhale, feel that expansion, allow the chest to expand. And then as you exhale, see if you can just release. You don't have to hold your body into the position. See if you can just let go. Let the arms get heavy. Allow the chest to take the shape of the pose. And notice your breath. Feel the breath sensations in the body. Feel the body in the pose. This is such a great way to open up the upper back and the shoulders. especially if you've been sitting a lot during the day. Tend to round the shoulders forward. This is a great way to counter that. Just open up the spine again in the other direction, bringing more balance to the body. You might notice the longer you stay here, and the more that you're able to release and allow the body to let go into the shape, the sensations might begin to change. Your experience in the pose might begin to shift a little. Stay present, stay aware of the body in the pose. Aware, notice the little changes. Staying with the feelings, with the sensations. Awareness of the breath sensations. The breath moving in and out of the body, just your natural relaxed breath. You're going to slowly begin to come out. Gently turn yourself onto one side. And just remove your block or bolster off to the side. Come to lay down on your neutral spine. And just notice the difference laying here on your neutral spine. And noticing the flow of your natural breath. Feel free to stay here as long as it feels good for you. And whenever you're ready, gently turning to one side and press yourself back up.